Hello, good afternoon. Happy Friday. Happy sunny Friday. I love the sun. Yay! Hi, Tin. Hello. Nice to see you. Live every day. Yes, I went live every day this week because we are so excited to share that we have upcoming yoga and meditation classes for the month of August. And we are starting tomorrow. So August 3, tomorrow, we have a very special yoga and meditation face-to-face post, face-to-face yoga class, and we are going to be practicing vinyasa and then meditation, and we're going to be talking about the topic about forgiveness. So the class tomorrow at M Studio Magallanes at 5 p.m. is all about how to forgive yourself and others in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. So it's going to be at 5 p.m. tomorrow at M Studio Magallanes. And if you would like to join, there are still some slots available. Hi, Joff! Joff, my friend Joff De Vera is tuning in. Hello! How are you? I hope that you are having a great week so far. Happy weekend. He's my neighbor here, actually. Liam is actually looking for Lucas. So let us know if Lucas is here. So our yoga class tomorrow, you can sign up for it by visiting the link in our bio in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. The link for registration is there. So please visit that link, fill out the form, and you can join us tomorrow. So we still have some slots available. It's not free. The energy fee is 1,111 pesos. So you can sign up, join our class, and it's going to be great. It's all about forgiveness. How to forgive yourself and others in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. Yes, ako yung nandun sa promenade kanina. We watched a movie, Twisters. It's very exciting and entertaining movie. But Green Hills is so cold. The cinemas there are super duper cold. So there, our yoga and meditation face-to-face class happening tomorrow at M Studio Magallanes at 5 p.m. How to forgive yourself and others in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. So please join us. Visit the link in our bio and you will be able to fill out the form, send us your payment, and then we can assist you. We can include you in the class. So please join our special face-to-face yoga and meditation class tomorrow at 5 p.m. M Studio Magallanes. And then for those who can't join the face-to-face yoga class, we actually have an exciting online meditation series for the whole month of August, every Saturday at 11 a.m. via Zoom. It is called Believe in Yourself. So this series is all about believing in yourself and the importance of believing in your own power, in your own worth, not needing external validation but actually validating yourself. So for every Saturday for the month of August at 11 a.m. via Zoom, you can join our upcoming online meditation series. One class is 555 pesos. And the whole five classes, 2,500 pesos. So all you have to do if you would like to join the online series is send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. So again, we have the face-to-face yoga and meditation class at 5 p.m. tomorrow. And then every Saturday for the month of August, 11 a.m. via Zoom, our online meditation series, Believe in Yourself. So it's up to you which one you want to choose. Maybe you can join all. But if you would like to join the face-to-face yoga, How to Forgive Yourself and Others, it's going to be via the link for registration in our bio, in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. So all you have to do is visit that link, sign up, and we will assist you. We will sign you up in our class. And if you would like to join the online meditation series, either one class or all 5 classes, it's up to you. You can send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will help you register. So while we are here on this live, is there anyone who would like to join, would like to ask a question? And I will do my best to answer. If I can answer. If I don't know, I will not answer, and I will not pretend to know. I will say that I don't know. But if there's anything that you would like to ask, maybe this is your chance to ask a question, maybe about mental health. Wow! Unica is saying that she will get all 5 classes. Please do. You will really feel the benefits of having a regular meditation practice. I recommend a daily practice, but if you can only do once a week, every weekend, please try it and see what it can do for you. The meditation, the online meditation series, is about 30 to 45 minutes long per session. But our yoga and meditation class, it will be 1.5 hours. For the meditation class, for the meditation series via Zoom, there will be no yoga. It will just be a discussion and a meditation afterwards. And then maybe some question and answer. So if you would like to join, send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. So for the face-to-face yoga class, there will be yoga. But for the online meditation series, no yoga, just meditation. So please, please join us. And yeah, so everything is on our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. So please join. Thank you, Unica. Yay, Rian is here. Hi, Rian, one of our community members. She has contributed so much good energy, and she continues to do so by joining our classes. And I love her story. I love her energy. So Rian, we're so excited to meditate with you for the whole month. Thank you so much for joining. We appreciate your time and energy. And we value you. So we hope that you value yourself. Okay, so we have a question here. What would you do when you're moody on your red days? It's so depressing without any reason. You really have to be kinder to yourself, especially when it's that time of the month. You have to take it gently, take it slowly, and it's okay. It's okay not to be okay, especially when you're on your monthly period. You don't have to force anything. Be kind to yourself, because the more that you can be kind to yourself, then you will be kind to the people around you. And it's okay to be depressed once in a while. All you have to do is acknowledge what you're going through and go through it gently. You don't have to be perfect all the time. That is impossible. So again, please join our upcoming classes for the month of August. All the information can be found in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. So for the yoga class at M Studio Magallanes, all you have to bring are a yoga mat, a water tumbler, and an open heart. And then for the online meditation series, you don't really need anything. Just a small cushion that you can sit on, or maybe a folded towel or blanket. And your journal and pen, so that you can take down notes of whatever we will be discussing in class. So thank you so much for joining this live. And again, please, come one, come all. Just visit our Instagram page, Meditate with Maxine. and we will assist you. How to lessen your anger? I am almost angry as I wake up. I get easily triggered. Is meditation helpful? Yes. This is what really helped me with my anger issues. Meditation helped me process and feel my emotions so that I can release them the healthy way instead of unconsciously bottling them up, making them suppressed, you know. So meditation helps me feel my emotions so that I'm not angry easily. And of course, I need to cry, I need to release, I need to feel where is that anger coming from. And I highly recommend seeking therapy. Maybe you can seek professional help by consulting with a psychiatrist. They can help you really process your emotions and to find out where your anger is coming from. Journaling also helps, and of course praying to God. Pray to God every day. Ask Him to show you what you need to see, why you are this way. Reflect and really feel, where is this anger coming from. I promise you, it is possible to heal your anger. It is not a lost cause. It is not a hopeless case. You can heal your anger by looking within, feeling your emotions, meditating every day, crying and releasing what you have to release, seeking professional help, exercising, moving the body, eating healthy, and then getting enough sleep. You know, you have to do this holistically. Pray to God to help you. You can do this. I wish you well. So that's it. I just really wanted to go live really quickly this afternoon to invite all of you to join our upcoming yoga and meditation classes for the month of August. We have one face-to-face yoga and meditation class at M Studio Magallanes at 5 p.m. The link for registration is in our bio, in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. And for the upcoming online meditation series, every Saturday for the month of August at 11 a.m., you can you can send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we will help you register. Thank you so much for joining this live, and we wish you all the best. We wish you a peaceful and relaxing weekend. Sending you love and light. Hope to see you in our classes. Bye!